So Bill, let's talk a little bit about the typical loan customer for you personally in Fairway Independent Mortgage. I know there are many reasons why people would come to you for a loan, but typically what do you see in your office here in Auburn?
Well, we keep a pretty organized database of our customers, our clients that we've had over the last 10 years or so. So we communicate with them, let them know what's happening in the market on a pretty much a monthly basis. I mean, we have client appreciations with Red Sox and Patriots giveaways, and
When am I going to get some of those tickets, by the way?
You're gonna be a client.
Yeah, all right. Sounds good.
You're refinancing.
There we go. Sometime soon. Yeah.
So our typical client is our past clients. Our clients are we love referrals. We work with our referral sphere of influence, which may be our real estate agents, our financial planners, which helps them with cash flow. And our past clients, which they refer their family and friends to. In addition to that, with new clients, we've taken on a lot of new clients where we help them with their credit.
Mm-hmm.
Their credit may be
maybe a little ding here and there.
Have some challenges with it, and we'll work with clients over a period of time to help them with their credit scores, so they can buy a house or they can refinance.
So Bill, it sounds like your borrowers, the people that you work with, fall into maybe three general categories. One would be somebody looking to refinance their loan that has either done business with you in the past or understands the benefits of working with Fairway, and for things like home improvements, paying for their children's college education, maybe to fund some sort of retirement plan, or that type of thing. Second would be, obviously, people who are buying homes right now,
Right.
who understand that they should be working with a lender who's going to close the loan on time, so there's no headache and there's no heartache,
Right.
by missing the closing date. And the third that you didn't touch upon, or I just know this about Fairway from working with you and Laz and Amy and Jake and all the great people at Fairway, is that because you're a direct lender, sometimes you can get loans approved that maybe they couldn't get approved, by the big bank or by the banks that just kind of connected dots using a computer system.
That's a great point, but I think they don't get it. The big banks won't get these loans approved. It's not necessarily because they can't be approved. It's because they don't put the time and effort into getting them
fair.
approved.
Yeah.
I have a great staff, great team where we'll work diligently on every single file to get our clients approved, whether it's working with them on their credit scores, helping them get into a situation that will allow them to purchase that property, allow them to refinance. We're not order takers. We don't just take the application and say you're approved or not approved. If there's some obstacles that we have, we're going to work with that particular borrower or client to get them in a position where they can refinance or purchase the home.
Now, Bill, I know you're a very humble guy, and you don't talk about this much. And I'm sure people who've been watching this can understand that that's just your approach to life and to business. However, there's a rating system in the lending industry for loan officers like yourself that ranks loan officers nationwide in terms of their production and how well they do in the industry. And it's called the Scotsman's Guide. And you've been ranked in the top 100 loan officers in the country multiple times in the Scotsman's Guide.
Yes.
That's really an accomplishment. I mean, there are very few people who can say that they've been consistently ranked in that top 100 over a period of years. There may be some people that bump up against it once in a while. But that's an indication that you consistently do a good job of working with your clients, your borrowers, the realtors, and that they can rely on you for that consistency to get the job done.
Yeah, a lot of that has to do with our company. A lot of it has to do with my office, my team,
Your staff, yeah.
my staff. We're able to bring in this volume and work to get our clients closed on their loans. So, I'm able to go out and help more people because we have the systems in place.
Mm-hmm. Well, Bill, I don't know the exact numbers, so you can correct me if I'm off a little bit. However, based on the fact you've been in the industry for 14 years, my intuition tells me you've probably closed over $500 million in loans during that time, or pretty close to that.
Yeah, that's probably right.
So for those of you who want to work with somebody who's got the experience, who understands the industry, who knows how to get things done, Bill Murphy's the guy to call. And again, you're watching this either via Bill's website or through his business Facebook page. You really couldn't be working with a better person in the mortgage industry.